Hi, welcome to my page at CJ Beauty Empire. If it's your first time watching with us, please don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like. So today I'll be taking you on a simple eye look for all events. This eye look is always been requested by especially mothers, married my parents, a nude eye look. So we'll be starting with our eyeshadow primer. We blend the eyeshadow primer with fluffy blush for it to be smooth. Then I'll be going around the crease with a darker shade of brown. I will use the darker shade of brown, my upper crease, and go around it. I'll keep blending, make sure there's no crease. So I'll repeat the same step in the other eye. Don't forget to leave your comments. Don't forget to like, help promote our page for us. I'll be running over the darker shade with a lighter brown. I'm practically using a powder for that, not eyeshadow. So to remove the harsh lines. Now I'll be using light pink underneath the eye. Repeat the same steps. Using dark brown. Yeah, I'm using a lighter shade of powder to brighten. We're adding a little bit of pigment for some sparkles, a little bit of sparkle. We'll go with our eyeliner. So I'll be using my mascara. I like to apply my mascara first before applying my eyelashes. So now we have put our lashes on, and this a final look for the eyes. So simple, so nude, and so beautiful. Thank you for watching.